Hey, what's up everyone? So a few months ago I made a video talking about how to change the damage indicators for Arsenal, and after a few hours of research changing and deleting all the fonts in the fonts folder for Roblox, I have finally found out all the fonts that the game uses. Now you could take the long route and just change all the fonts in the folder to the font that you want, or you can just change the necessary fonts to save a lot of time. And that's what this video is going to help you with. So for those who didn't watch the damage indicators video I made a while back, here's how you can get to the correct file path. There's actually multiple different ways you can do this, but the way I'm going to be doing this is if you hit Windows key and R at the same time, it'll open up this window right here, which will say run and whatnot. And what you're going to want to type in here is you're going to want to type in percentage app data percentage, exactly like that. And then if you hit OK, it'll open this folder to the your username, app data, and roaming. But this isn't where the Roblox is, as you can see. There's nothing that says Roblox here. So if you come back here to app data, clicking up here at the top, you'll get these three folders. You'll get roaming, local low, and local. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to local. Now inside local, you will be able to find the Roblox folder if you scroll down enough. This should be alphabetical order, if you have it in the right order or whatever. But you're going to want to double click on Roblox, open that up, and in here you'll see a bunch of different stuff. You'll see downloads, local storage, logs, versions, and all this stuff. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to versions, and there's going to be probably two folders in here if you have Roblox Studio installed. But you're going to want to find the one that looks like this, where it has content, extra content, platform content, shaders, and all this with these two. And then once you're in here properly, you can come here to content, and then fonts. It should look exactly like this, where there's like a million fonts in here. If you come here to platform content and fonts, you're only going to see this one, and that's not the right spot. So you're going to want to come here to content, fonts. And that's where you can change all the fonts. Also, another way you can get to that directory is if you hit the Windows key and you scroll down and find your Roblox player. I just reinstalled it, so it should be right here. And if I come here to open file location, it'll open up this start menu kind of thing. And if you right click on this and hit open file location, it'll take you straight to the folder. And then if you then you can come to the content, fonts, and you'll get there. So now that we've successfully made it to this folder path, we need to import the fonts that we want. So I'm gonna go to differnt.com and go find some fonts there that we can use. All right, we're here. Let me see if I can find a good font that we can use. We could try going for something more comic-y. Probably would look cool. Yeah, we'll do this one, Hey Comic. This one looks really cool. I'll middle click on that, open that up. And then for the damage indicators, I'll grab a cursive one if I can find a cursive one somewhere. You know what? This one might actually work. Oh wait, this one's nice and small. Oh, this one's also transparent. We'll try Cotton Cloud here. But yeah, we'll download both of these real quick, and we will place them in a folder. So got that one downloaded, got this one downloaded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder on my desktop. It can be new folder, it can be whatever. But I'm gonna drag these here, and these are zip files, so I'm gonna have to open those. I'm gonna drag that like this to the new folder. You could also just drag it to your desktop. It doesn't really matter, but it's gonna be easier for me this way. I come here. There will be TTF and OTFs. I mean, I don't think it should matter which one you grab. The .ttf is the one I'm going to be grabbing. Also, the way you can view the file name extensions, the .ttf, is if you come here to view up here at the top, you can hit this file name extensions button right here, and it will show the file name extension at the end, the .otf, .jpg, whatever. Alright, now that we've got these two here, I'm going to delete those since we just need these fonts. We don't need the zip anymore. And then we'll come here to our fonts folder. Now, so to change the font that we want to change, we need to first figure out which font we want where. So I'm probably just going to change all of the main Arsenal ones to this, Hey Comic, and I'm going to change the damage indicators to Cotton Cloud just to make the damage indicators small or whatever, see-through, transparent. But so the list of damage indicators that we use are right here. These are the 9 that Arsenal uses. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to change this Hey Comic or whatever you want to use as the main font or whatever. You're going to want to change pretty much all of these besides the SourceSansPro-Bold, because that's the damage indicators font, as I mentioned in the damage indicators video. And so what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to copy this 8 times. Yeah, or wait, no, 7 times. So we do Control C to copy, click on it, Control C, and then you can just click off and do Control V, and we'll paste it. You should do that until you have 7 of them. So we got 8, and then we've got the cotton cloud, which makes it 9. Okay, we're good there. So now what we need to do is we need to change the name of Cotton Cloud to this SourceSansPro-Bold, because what the SourceSansPro-Bold is that's the damage indicators. So one way we can do that is we can double click on this very slowly and it will do the rename. Or you can right click on it, hit rename, and you're going to want to copy all of this. And on top of the Cotton Cloud or whatever font you choose for your damage indicators, what you're going to do is you're going to want to change that to that. Make sure the file name extension is .ttf as well, otherwise it won't work. Alright, so that's the damage indicators. Now, I have a list of all the other ones and what they do. So here is that list right now. These are the 9 fonts that Arsenal uses. So I have the font name at the beginning, then I have the arrow which points to what it does. And then you'll see .ttf, the OTF, you'll see all that at the end. That's just the file name extension, so just be wary about that. Yeah. Now, we need to change all of these right here, all the Hey Comics to these. So I'm going to do that real quick. Oops, did not mean to open that. I'm just going to copy the whole thing. Yes. We'll pop that up. You're going to want to do this to all of these Hey Comics. Make sure they're at the right name. I'll also have this folder in the description if you want to download that. These are the fonts that I personally use. It's just the Hemi head or whatever I use. And then this one was is Antrovectra, which is a cursive font, just to make the damage indicators better. Alrighty, I have all of the fonts finally renamed and everything ready to go. So now all you need to do is you need to go back to your fonts folder, Roblox fonts folder. And what you're going to want to do is very simply just grab all these, copy them. You could right click, hit copy, and then come here and then Control V to paste, or you can just come here and do paste. And it'll be like, this destination has 9 files with the same names. You're going to want to hit replace the files, and it will replace all those files. And you have successfully changed your font. So if I go boot up Roblox real quick, you can already see the font has completely changed here. It's more cartoony and whatnot, rather than the normal font. And we have changed everything. So yeah, we have changed the fonts. If you come here, clearly changed everything in here. Come here, change these. Come here, change those. Change that. Changed all this. And it changed all that. But yeah, see, we changed all this as well. You can't change this font down here because that's an image or whatever they use. And you can see the cloud font down below working well. Yeah, as you can see, the numbers here are changed as well. Yeah, there's the font going into play there with the cloud. And if we come here and do some sort of damage to somebody, you'll see that it changed the font of that, which is the damage indicators. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video and you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you all later. Anyways, goodbye.